Good morning, boomers. The voice of the blockchain here. Satoshi's big cousin, cryptography's finest. Champagne Crypto, the crypto commander-in-chief, out here with the crypto capos as we push the line forward. A boom is coming. A boom is here. Do you smell it, boomers? Shout out to Susha, the rest of the boomers tuning into this live broadcast. 134 decorated 5-star ranking officials here in the population of the chat box. If you haven't been following the boomers, do it now. Touch all the buttons, the like, the subscribe, the post notification bell, the ding ding. I need you button it up for this liftoff. We have liftoff, boomers. It looks sexy out there, guys. I told you 83 was that resistance and we crashed through the gates. And right now, I smell a baby boom cooking in the crypto trenches as the rest of the crypto maniac soldiers tune in to this live stream. Indeed, we're live with the best of them. Ron, 134, and Susha. Nepe, June is coming. The rest of the maniacs are here. Guys, drop a comment. Let me know which side of the globe you're booming with the bits, the EOS, the lights. Guys, the cryptos are in the green, grass-fed, non-GMO, all organic. Shout out to the maniacs out there. Let me drop a bomb for you guys. It's looking sexy, boomers. We're getting closer to that 10K. I told you 83 was that resistance level. Shout out to the funny bunnies, those baby bear cubs that are dancing and prancing, still thinking things are going to go down. We'll snipe you guys out the box. We got long-range gunners out here. Boom! Shout out to Susha. Kaboom to Toro. Shout out to Electrician, Litecoin. Let there be light. More lights, more bits, more vitamin D shining on the crypto valley. Michael's here. Susha's here. Pep is here. Nep is here. Ron, Dolphin 134. If you haven't been tuning into the voice here, the crypto commander-in-chief, the original kapumper, the original boomer, your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber. I need you guys caressing, molesting, touching those buttons right now, the like, the subscribe. Bookmark the page you're going to be wanting to tune in daily for that good crypto word. Today we're talking about Bitcoin, Litecoin, EOS, and more. Guys, grass-fed, they're putting on weight out there. Even little Ether, Vitalik and friends seem to have sipped some whey over the weekend. Shout out to my Memorial Day maniacs. God bless America and the rest of the boomers out there. Kaboom! Let's check out today's math as the rest of the boomers tune in. Guys, touch all the buttons, caress them right now. Let me turn off these coins, show you my screen, and hit refresh. It's looking sexy, boomers. 87.65 there on the bits. Total market cap at 270. I think we're hitting close to that $300 billion market cap sooner than later. Bitcoin dominance moving up to 57.3, getting closer to that 60% marker. Looks like a lot of boomers want to hold the bits. And I've been telling you, maniacs, don't call yourself a crypto maniac boomer unless you've stashed one bit under the pillow for the crypto fairy, under the shoebox in the attic or in your grandma's house. Do it right now, guys. I'm excited. And this is just the beginning. I see you guys tweeting or dropping comments here in the population about Block One's announcement in June. Apparently, Block One's going to do a major announcement. I don't know what's cooking over there for B1 and the rest of the EOS maniacs, but it smells good from afar, and I got a little baby baggie out there, guys. I've been telling you, don't act like champagne. Didn't tell you from the beginning. EOS, Ethereum on steroids. Don't sleep out there, boomers. I don't need you guys sleeping here in the trenches. You never know when a siren or a bomb will come off here in the platoon trenches, guys. I need you guys touching the buttons. Ether at 268. Ripple is straight trash bags. Throw it in the garbage right now. The most toxic of all cryptos. Bitcoin Cash at 435. Litecoin at $114, gaining weight at a rapid pace. Let there be light. Litecoin's about to have. The halvening is coming soon to a crypto market cap near you. Boomers, make sure you let there be light. I like Litecoin, guys. I like Litecoin. Let me know what's up with this Mimble Wimble. Are we about to go confidential private on them or what, guys? Stay fungible. Stay fungible, guys. If you don't know about fungibility, then your crypto ability is not high enough, and I need you out the box or doing the knowledge within the videos in the description right now. Stay fungible out there. EOS at $7, $7.19, looking good, gaining weight, 13% in the past 24 hours. Binance, surprisingly not moving as fast as it has in the past, but still at all-time highs at $34. Stellar at 13 cents. I don't know about Stellar, guys. I'll tell you, I'm going to be honest with you. Stellar, Ripple's cousin, I'm not sold on the Stellar, okay? I haven't sniped it out the box, but perhaps maybe I should. Cardano at 8 cents. Cardano's got 5 days to go ahead and show me something working before I send a sniper team out there. We've been waiting too long on Shelly. I like Cardano, but I want to see it on and popping. Tron at 3 cents. We got Satoshi Vision, other garbage coin. This one's like Ripple's the third cousin. This one is not my style out there. Toxic to crypto. Monero at 94. Guys, I've been telling you about Monero, the true fungible crypto coin in the top 15. If you ain't walking with Monero, if you haven't crypt walked out there, do it now. I like Monero, boomers. This one's not going anywhere. Once people start figuring out this blockchain analysis, they're tracking all the Bitcoin transaction, the alphabet agencies, and the rest of those nefarious actors that want to steal your bits. Maybe it's time to go Monero on them. Shout out to the Monero boomers. You got Dash at 164 IOTA at 40 cents as the rest of the boomers tune in. Susha's got a bag. Electricians here. Pepe says, like I said, 18,000 Bitcoin winter is coming. Bitcoin summer is here. Things are cooking up out there. So you're looking at 18K. I'm trying to cross 10K. I'm trying to cross 10K in the short gun. You know what I've been saying, boomers, as we approach the halving that's going to occur next year. I expect a boom like no other. I think part of this boom may be correlated to this Litecoin halving that we see close there in the horizon. I see land close by coming up in August. And, this may be impacting the markets out here. Shout out to the boomers that are tuning in. We'll be talking about conservative price predictions for Bitcoin, market updates, and whether the declining global economy, this fiat garbage, is actually supporting and helping the bits increase in weight out there. Shout out to the boomers. Champagne's excited. Just came back from the gym. You know I don't skip any days out there, boomers. I'm not staying fat. I'm not staying skinny. I'm stronger as can be. Ready to pump these coins. Ready to pump more squats, deadlifts. Throw it more weight on the bar. If you're not putting weight on the bar, I need you doing it right now. I want everybody looking like 300 crypto Spartans as we approach the all-time high. I don't want any soy gardeners out here, okay? I need you guys stronger than ever. Let's check out this article here. 20K conservative price prediction for Bitcoin in 2019 says OKX Andy Chung. So it looks like this is, the CEO or somebody here that has to do with OKX exchange. Bitcoin will surpass $20,000 in 2019. Head of operations of cryptocurrency exchange Andy Chung said on Monday. Chung commented on the price action of Bitcoin following BTC's price to 8,900. Apparently we touched 89, almost 9K out there. So it's looking sexy. It's nothing but strong price predictions. We had CZ of Binance, the CEO. He called it, I think it was yesterday, a little boom that was coming faster than fast. You could see here this article. I'm going to link this down below after the broadcast. I just hit start streaming, and I wasn't able to populate the description here with these articles that I'll be sharing with you guys. But I'll do that after the broadcast. Anyhow, this is at a CYPHERPUNK.com. Okay, you guys can see it here on the screen. CZ Binance says in a response to CYPHERPUNK's tweet, says Binance CZ predicted Bitcoin to break $8,000 yesterday, and it did. He responds with pure coincidence. Careful what you wish for in crypto. Careful what you wish for in crypto. Now, there's a meme going around that says that Binance hack was an inside job and they're using that to pump the markets. Now, I don't know if that's true or not. You know, you got all kinds of conspiracy out there, memes. Nobody knows what's going on, but we do have faith in the bits for the long-term kaboom. More bits, and more booms. I need you guys touching the buttons. If you haven't caressed the buttons and you're listening here to this broadcast, do it now. Caress it. Share this on your streams, your social media streams, your fake book, your Instagram, and the rest of those social media platforms that are tracking you without paying you any crypto. I need you guys downloading the Brave browser right now and earning BAT tokens for surfing the web. If you haven't done it, do it now via the link that I have in the description below. You can't call yourself a crypto maniac boomer if you're not actually using crypto-friendly applications. Right now, the Brave browser is sexy. The Braves browser is sexy indeed. Let me hit refresh here. Drop a comment here in the population of the chat box. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear out there, boomers. I need you guys dropping a comment. Give me a 10-4 if you read me out there, boomers. Give me a 10-4 if you read me. Let's talk about this crypto market cap update via fxstreet.com. Bitcoin is ready to resume growth, creeping towards critical resistance of 9K. So there's a new, thank you, Susha, 10-4, roger that out there. These crypto generals, we got to make sure that we're online. We got to make sure Susha's a general, Toro's a general. We got 5-star ranking official now. We may have a small platoon, but we're ready and we're coming for all the crypto so-called boomers. Don't act like Champagne wasn't the original boomer online, the original voice. I see people trying to jack the slang out there with the voice of the blockchain and everything. They want to boom how we boom, boomers, but they can't. Crypto market has entered a range-bound phase, consolidating, exiting gains of the weekend. While Bitcoin and the majority of top 20 altcoins have retreated from the intraday highs, the overall trend remains clearly bullish. Let there be bulls. Let there be bulls out there. Shout out to Susha as well. Declining global economy. Let's talk about this. And shout out to Currency 365, another YouTube boomer that stops by. Make sure you check out his channel. He's been covering what he calls the global reset. Guys, if you haven't figured it out, guys, the whole entire global fiat system is funny bunny, okay? And it may be crumbling before our eyes sooner than later. Is the declining global economy growth fueling the stunning rally of Bitcoin? If you haven't figured it out yet, Bitcoin is the antithesis to the government fraud fiat system that we've been under for such a long time, boomers. Okay, and that's what's going on. That's why I don't believe the fake Toshi trying to get the government involved. And I don't believe it out there. This is the antithesis, boomers. If you haven't figured that one out, throw a bit under the pillow and throw it at Granny's house and thank Champagne later on. Now, I want to make sure I'm loud and clear for all the young cadets out there. Champagne is not your crypto daddy. I don't got all the answers, and I'm here as a crypto enthusiast booming with the best of them. Okay, ultimately, you guys got to make your own movements like the crypto grown men that you should be. A lot of cucks out there, a lot of soy boys. They want to complain too much. I need you guys handling your own bag, handling your own private keys, taking your crypto off these funny bunny exchanges because at any moment they can go mount Gox 3.0. Shout out to Jigger Romes. He says, we hear you. Shout out to Romes. I see you as well. Let's talk about this global economy growth fueling the stunning rally of Bitcoin, question mark. In a continuation of form, Bitcoin has managed to break key resistance levels of 85 and 88. I called 83, but that's close enough. And with each passing day, signs the crypto market is entering a new bullish phase become increasingly compelling, says this article. But at the same time, talking of an incoming recession is getting louder and louder. That being so, some are wondering whether Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies will have an opportunity to usurp legacy systems. And, if you haven't figured out, this is the one that's trying to usurp the legacy system. Let's not forget the true Satoshi, my little cousin, okay? Young Nakamoto, what he wrote in the Genesis block. He talked about the failing banks and the frauds and the bailouts, okay? This is it, guys. And I know the boomers that have been following the champ that are tuning into the alternative frequencies, whether it be via economics, via crypto diet, exercise, are tuning into this alternative frequency. U.S. economics indicators look bleak, says this article. You know that, like I said, guys, it's not looking good for the dollar, and that's a shame. But it's been a fraud for a while now, and we got to call it for what it is. We need a sound money supply. Okay, we need a sound money supply. The world needs a sound money supply, and enough with this garbage. what will happen to Bitcoin in the recession. People say Bitcoin was born as a result of Satoshi Nakamoto's dissatisfaction with the economic system. He envisioned a future where individuals could transact peer-to-peer without the involvement of an intermediary. This, he hoped, would democratize finance and redistribute wealth back to the people. As such, Nakamoto's concept of Bitcoin intended to replace legacy systems. Okay, so anybody that is trying to bet on a crypto, okay, like Fakebook's Global Coin or Ripple or anything that is in bed with these agencies is not a Crip Walker. They're just simply not a Crip Walker. You can see this tweet over here. My King Brian, I think he's got it wrong. He says during the next recession, Bitcoin will bottom out because it's so risky, untested, and new. Investors hate hodling or holding risky bets in recessionary climates. That's when he'll hop in there. Shout out to that. And I think that kind of already, started once Bitcoin hit down to, bottomed out at 3K. Will Bitcoin take over? Stocks will tumble starting in June and worsen towards July. Crypto, gold, silver. Shout out to my metalheads. Will experience an awakening. Stocks will tumble starting in June and worsen toward July. Crypto, gold, silver will experience an awakening, says Sir Gordon Gecko via Twitter. This is via newsbtc.com out there, boomers, if you haven't been tuned in to this broadcast. So that's what's going on. Guys, I smell a boom cooking, and it's already started. Let's go ahead and recap here with the price. Again, we're the next resistance level is obviously at 9,000. We're at 87.77. I believe we topped off at 89. Let me check out Trading View charts. You can see Litecoin starting a nice little run. Litecoin's moving. Let there be light, guys. And again, the halving will be occurring in August, and that's when the mining rewards will be cut in half. Due to the scarcity of the production of Litecoin, that may be increasing the price if the demand remains the same. And I think demand may even increase. Let's check out BTC's chart. You can see, look at this chart on Coinbase. A slugger. Look at these candles, these wicks out here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's check the 5-day. Check the 1-day. Look at this. From 8K, this is overnight. Almost a 90% uprise out there. Shout out to Crypto Stash. Freaking crazy. Dolphin 134. Some of the boomers shouted you out in Box Mining's chat this morning. Kaboom, some older boomers when they're in his chat. All right. Shout out to Box Mining too. He's been around for a long time. And, he's definitely an influencer here in the space. Freaking crazy says, give me my Litecoin 300 plus. Yeah, it's still a little bit to, get where we were with the lights. But, you know the deal. It's definitely looking good. Freaking crazy. We just read that. Crypto Stash with the kaboom. Jigger Rome says, shouted champ out at Chico Crypto's channel. Chico Crypto. I think I've heard that name. I'm not sure if I subscribe to that one, but shout out to anybody shouting the champ out. I know they're out there listening, and the boomers have spread worldwide. You see a lot of these people picking up our slangs, trying to walk how we walk, trying to snipe out little baby bear cubs, those funny bunnies as well. There's a bunch of bunnies that may be entering the space now as Bitcoin continues to surge upward. Now, I'll tell you, I smell the boom coming already because over the weekend, I already see, normies, family members, and everyday wages now asking about the bits. And that is a sign that we're in the middle of a little run, or one has started. We won when that Congressman Brad Sherman said, ban crypto, says Nepe. If the people backing the world reserve currency can't ban it, what can other countries do to protect their currencies? Yeah, you could see, that gentleman Sherman toxic to crypto. And he said that it may be that it is a threat to the dollar. But listen, guys, the dollar's been funny bunny from the beginning. And listen, I want a MAGA. I want a MAGA with the boomers. But let's be honest. Okay, if you would hold the US dollar for the past 10 years in a savings account, just due to the inflation, you're losing bags out there. You're losing weight. So, at this moment, it's too inflationary, and it may follow in the footsteps of the rest of these other garbage fiat currencies and, keep declining in value. So they say the global reset is coming sooner to a theater near you. Shout out to Jigger Rome's Crypto Stash, freaking crazy, and the rest of the boomers. Rome says Macron got taken out in France. The cabal shaking in their boots. Economic instability this summer will make crypto boom. I agree. I agree that the economic instability, I think global instability, economic instability, this is the alternative, guys. This and precious metals. I would agree with this article that we just shared. Precious metals. Hold on to those metals. I don't think that crypto and metals are against each other. They're both forms of storing value. The EU is falling apart. China economy's crashing. Fiat going the way of fiat, crappy quality cars. Crypto is booming. Get in line on the roller coaster. It's starting. Indeed, freaking crazy. Do you hear the crypto train? All aboard out there, boomers. We got a couple more seats. Tell the friends, the family, the rest of the animals on the farm. All aboard? All aboard? Shout out to the boomers. I'm excited this morning. It's a good energy. Shout out to all those that are on break today from their wagey, normie jobs. Hopefully you can find a way out, okay, and stop waging it out there. No man should be calling another man his boss. This is about freedom and independence and taking back the bags out there, boomers. If you're one of those wagies, I feel for you. Everybody's been there, or the majority of us boomers have been down that route. So, we're not putting you down, but we're trying to show you the land that's appearing on the horizon sooner than later. Bury your silver and gold, says Captain Ron. Stack your bags out there. Silver, cheap. Silver's cheap. And we know that silver's been manipulated by JP Morgan and the rest of the outfits. It's still a deal now at $14.58 currently. You got gold there at 1285, 1028.5. Look, you can see the charts here. The gold. Gold is up. Gold is up as well. Silver, let's check out silver. Silver's it's up as well a little bit. So, there you go. Thanks to the troops today. They gave their lives for our freedom. Now we take back our financial independence with crypto. God bless America. God bless the troops. And shout out to all the boomers. Crypto Stashes, thanks for the infotainment, homie. I appreciate you, Crypto Stash. Thank you for the $2 tip via the super chat. Stash just dropped me $2 there in the bucket. Guys, throw some ducats here in the bucket. Show love to the champ. The rest of the boomers, like I say on all these broadcasts, don't come to the party empty-handed. Don't show up here without a little bottle, without a six-pack, without a smoker 3. You don't want to show up to the party empty-handed out here, boomers. Follow Stash's lead. Drop some ducats in the bucket via the super chat if you like. If not, download the Brave browser. You could tip via that. And we also have cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum addresses if you'd like to shoot us some crypto. All these funds go to the young boomers, young champagne boomer, and the young boomette that we just welcomed not too long ago. Shout out to all the Nakamoto family, including Mrs. Champagne out there. Denick Series says, not sure if you asked before, but people are saying that Litecoin can be 2K by August in the halvening. Is that true? And I lost my job on March 2019, but I'm still able to hold all my crypto investments, says Denix. I'm sorry to hear about you losing the job, but maybe that's a blessing in disguise. Now, as far as the 2K Litecoin, I'm going to be honest with you. I don't believe it until we're at the all-time highs for Litecoin, which were about $350 or $360. Okay, so it's going to take a little time to get to 2K if it ever gets there. Okay, I'm trying to get to all-time highs once again. So, I don't know where that 2K number comes from. I'm not going to be a non-believer. I'm sure that, perhaps maybe it could skyrocket, but I think that's a little bit too far down the line right now as far as a 2K. You got 100 and change now with Litecoin, which is looking healthy. It's kind of leading the charge along with EOS right now. It's at 115 for the lights. Let there be light, vitamin D all day. But that's what it is. I think next year I may have to worry about doing my crypto taxes with a lot of profits I make this year. As far as the crypto taxes, Champagne has nothing to do with that. I don't follow the taxes, and I talk to a tax attorney. Okay, I'm here for the boom. I'm not here for the theft that is taxation. But definitely speak to a professional. You got original copy kaboom, and good morning to you, sir. Looking sexy out there, guys. These market caps are looking healthy. Litecoin and EOS are up almost 15%. And you got Bitcoin up 10% in the past 24 hours. Next resistance level, here's 9K. Okay, 9K is what we're looking to break. And I can't say that we found the support level yet because we're in the midst of this little run. So, that's what it is. I gladly pay taxes if I can make a ton of money, says Freaking Crazy. I hear you there, Freaking Crazy. Copy says F taxes. Yeah, I mean, I'm not one that covers that. You know, I'm here for booms, and taxation has nothing to do with booming. So, but I can see where you're coming from, Crazy. Rox1 just dropped me $2. Boom! Thank you, Rox. Buy yourself a one-way ticket to Boomtown. All aboard. Let me bring the train back because there's still seats, guys. There's still a few seats here for your friends and family here on the farm. All aboard. All aboard the crypto train. All aboard out there, boomers. Shout out to Rox1. He just dropped me $2 there in the bucket, guys. Throw some ducats in the bucket. Show love to the champ. If you're getting some value from the stream, I'm here daily spreading that good crypto energy. I don't care about doomers. I don't care about crypto gossip, okay? I'm here for the long pump, for the long boom, and for that financial independence, taking back what's ours, being our own bank. Thank you so much, Rox1. I appreciate the $2 donation. Stay strong and stay booming out there. Let me drop another bomb for you. Leonard Ben, he says kaboom from Ireland. Shout out to Ireland, all my Irish boomers out there. I appreciate the comment here, guys. If you're a broke boomer, okay, drop a comment. And show some love here, like Leonard and like the rest of the boomers, Jaron and the rest of the maniacs, guys. If you're a broke one, that's okay. Just come to the party, at least shake a hand, give us a smile, give us some positive energy. I want you guys talking here in the chat box and building with these crypto platoon members that are stronger than the most of them out there. Bitcoin and Litecoin to the moon. Bitcoin 50,000 by 2020. Who knows? What do you think? Denix, I'll tell you this, as far as those high numbers, I'm trying to get to a $1 trillion market cap by summer of next year. Summer of next year is what I'm looking for. So, I'm a little more conservative than some others, but, that'll still put us in a profit. And listen, guys, let's zoom out here and look at the 3-month chart for Bitcoin via Coinbase. Look at this rise in the past 3 months. Back in April, don't forget that we were at 4,000. March 19th, 4,000. Look at this rise out here. So we may be seeing the next little bull run similar maybe to 2017. We're just not there yet, but, it's healthy. Look at the year to date. Look at this year to date. Don't forget where we are at the beginning of the year. So if you got in where you fit in, you may be feeling secure right now. Jaron has 2 Litecoins. There you go. Stash them under the pillow. And don't forget about the bits. The bits leads the charge, guys. I think you guys have all figured that out. Bitcoin is king. And while some of these other altcoins may gain more weight than Bitcoin in the short term, I think this one is, if you want to stay secure, half the baggie, 40 to 60% roughly in Bitcoins. And then you could play with the other altcoins. I've talked about it. I wouldn't get into too many altcoins, me personally. And don't take this as financial advice because I'm just a crypto enthusiast. I don't do these chart analysis like some people that they claim that they know what's going on. I'm just calling it how I see it. But in my personal opinion, and some of the boomers out there as well, you should have half the bag in Bitcoin. We can check out our crypto portfolio that we've managed here for the past few months. It's a virtual portfolio that we started with 10K, and look at it now, boomers. Look at it now. We started off with 10K just a few months ago, 24,777 right now. Okay, it's time to maybe even make a trade this week. We've done some swing trades here, and mind you, I want to disclose that this is a virtual portfolio. This is not my real portfolio. We've been doing this as a community. If you guys have been tuning in our bags here, we have Bitcoin, Litecoin, Binance, Cardano, Monero, Theta, Ontology, Wax, 0x, and Decentraland Mana, which all have pumped in the past 7 days and all have pumped in the past 24 hours. You can see the mathematics here on screen. Let's check out the pie chart so you can see our distribution. As I said, half the bag should be in Bitcoin, and I try to follow my own opinion. We got 42% in our bag here in Bitcoin, about 15 in Binance, about 7 in Cardano, about 20% in Litecoin. So that's what it is out there, boomers, and the rest, a smaller stake. That's what's going on. Shout out to the boomers. Leonard says, Bat and Matic, I'm loading up on today. Matic, I've been seeing the price rise, and I see Matic is like some sort of a solution to scale Ethereum. I don't know much about it, but I've seen it, And I'm not behind the coin, nor am I against it. So, you know, I don't have anything bad to say. I definitely seen the rise. Okay. Now, as far as BAT, the basic attention token, I'm feeling that one, boomers. Okay. Because I've been using the Brave browser. You can see me here on CoinMarketCap. Let's pull out CoinMarketCap. Nice ad blocker. Look at how clean the CoinMarketCap screen looks. This is similar to the Chrome browser. I encourage every single boomer to download and install the Brave browser so you can surf the internet. You can turn on a feature and start earning cryptocurrency by viewing ads that you choose. Okay? Don't call yourself a boomer if you ain't using decentralized applications that are crypto friendly, BAT included. But I can feel that one, Leonard. Let's check out the price of BAT, by the way. This one's a good coin, in my opinion. BAT right now at 38 cents. It's up 9%. That's all right. That's all right. And let's check out the price of Matic, because that one's been moving as well. Leonard just let us know that it hasn't been moving. Maybe I'm mistaken on which one you're talking about. Is this the Matic that I thought it is? Because I think it was in the top. Or was it Maker? Check this one again. Yeah, this is the one. You know, brings massive scale to Ethereum. That's just what I just said. But for some reason, I thought it was in the top 100. Nevertheless, I don't have anything against this coin, but I'm a little weary of coins that are above the rank 100. But you know, more power to you. You may find the right one. You got BAT looking sexy, up 9%. Decent looking chart. Let's look at the gainers and losers today, see if there's any discount. Usually during these runs, boomers, I'm not particularly fond of loading up tokens once things are green. Now, you want to buy when things are red on a discount and sell when things are green. Right now, it looks like the majority of the markets are eating that grass-fed beef and staying organic. Maximind coins up, crypto.com. This is the second token on that blockchain. I like the CRO and MCO tokens, and I've let you guys know I think that there's some potential here on this project, being that it's a service that allows merchants to accept cryptocurrency payments. So I wouldn't sleep on this one on crypto.com. You got Dent, BitTorrent, MadeSafe. I'm not too attracted to any of these coins, although I don't have anything bad to say. Tron as well. EOS, you know how I feel about EOS, Ethereum on steroids. Right now, I think this is the one coin that has potential to knock Ether out the box. You got Litecoin at 114, and Satoshi Vision is straight garbage, in my opinion. I don't believe this fake Toshi guy. Susha says, only smart move, make sure you have at least one full Bitcoin before you buy alts. You know, that's not bad advice. I don't, you know, I'm not against that. Usually I tend to, my opinion is more like, you know, whatever your bag is, you know, some people have a smaller budget. You know, some people may be working with 1,000 or even, you know, 5,000 or 500. I would say about 40 to 60% in Bitcoin of whatever bag you're trying to grow. But, you know, I can rock with that. CryptoZilla says, dang it, I was on the battlefield while the broadcast started. Shout out to Zilla, one of our high-ranking officials out of Tokyo. I see that Trump's out there in Tokyo with the Sumer, so whatnot. How's that rocking? Is Japan behind the Trumpster or what? Freaking Crazy said, when is Vitalik hitting the gym? He is dying with deadlifts now. Look, listen, Vitalik, we've sent him out all kinds of packages, guys, but every single time it seems that the guys over there at Ripple intercept the package and replace it with nothing but soy. And it's a shame out there. Vitalik looking like the Walking Dead. But even Vitalik gained a few pounds, so it looks at least like he sipped some whey. Geron says, gentlemen, hold your coins for 5 years as if it was your girl, then drop her and spend all the money you made. Shout out to Geron. Shout out to Susha, CryptoZilla, Freaking Crazy, and the rest of the boomers that are tuning into this live broadcast. The energy's correct. If you haven't caught us from the beginning, make sure you go ahead and hit rewind. Check out the broadcast from the beginning. I shared some articles. 20K is a conservative prediction for 2019, says the head of OKX Exchange, Andy Chung, over there at CYPHERPUNK.com. Here's the article. I'm going to link it down at the end of the broadcast. You can see this cryptocurrency market update. Bitcoin's ready to resume growth. The spirit is back in the market. The bulls are still there. Bears didn't kill the bulls yet. And I think we're seeing somewhat of a revival. Okay, said the co-founder of eToro with an interview with Crypto Potato. And you can also see this other article here, which, you know, I tend to believe that this is true. The declining global economy growth fueling the stunning rally of Bitcoin, I would say yes. Okay, check out those 3 articles. This one's on NewsBTC, the other one on fxstreet.com, and the other one on cheppycap.com. Again, I don't have them linked down at this moment, but they should be after the broadcast. I'm going to encourage you guys to download the Brave browser. Start earning BAT tokens. Do it now. And to be transparent, that's an exclusive link via the champ. And I think that the Brave browser would reward me like $5 in BAT tokens if you click that link and download it via the link I provide. It's still at the, at the main brave.com website, but they give a little kickback to the champ out there. It's about $5 a BAT. So it's another way to support the Nakamoto family if you're a broke boomer, if you don't want to come out of pocket. Now, I want to be clear. Downloading this Brave browser does not require you to pay for anything or sign up via your email or anything. You just install the browser and start rocking it. You could do this on your desktop and the mobile device. Secondly, check out the invite to Coinbase Earn. You can get free Stellar tokens simply by watching a video and answering some questions. It'll take you not that many minutes. And Coinbase Earn program also has earn programs to earn BAT, 0x, and Zcash. Even if you are a member of Coinbase, you need to get on a waiting list and be invited to this Earn program. I have an exclusive link to start earning Stellar tokens down below. So check that out. That's directly to Coinbase. That's one of the largest exchanges in the United States. You can also check out the links that I have to the exchanges, Binance, BitShares, which is my favorite decentralized exchange. If you haven't joined a crypto exchange, do it now and get healthy. Get yourself a water filter. I got 0 water filters down below via Amazon. I got Berkey water filters just in case a disaster hits. You can start filtering non-potable water from the lake or from the rain. Guys, we're doing every movement here to stay independent and healthy. Okay, fluoride free, arsenic free. I don't want you guys calcifying your pituitary gland. I want elevation out here. And we'll probably be back with our self-improvements chats this week where we'll be talking about crypto diet and exercise. Only strength out here, boomers. Okay, I'll take a few more comments and questions before I tune down this broadcast and enjoy the rest of my day with Mrs. Champagne. Geron says, love 0 filters. Yeah, it's a cheap little, it's not too expensive, like $30-$40. It looks a lot like Brita, and it takes out all the total dissolved solvents. And what I like about it, it comes with a meter so that you could test the water before and after you filter it. And it strips out everything, including even the good minerals. So it's like the water becomes 0. There's nothing in it. So that's not bad. Okay. Blockchain Susha said, I know Rev is watching Cardano boom right now. Shout out to Rev. Drop a bomb for our crypto brother. Shout out to Silver Crypto, another crypto maniac. I see you. Freaking Crazy says, rumors that Trump will default on us debt and remove Fed, then Treasury Department will work with currency, then us crypto will be made to pay other governments. I've heard all kinds of rumors, and let's see what happens. And listen, I'm not expecting Trump or anybody else to come save the boomers, okay? It seems like Trump is trying to make Israel great again, and I'm questioning that as well. I'm not behind any suit, okay? I don't care about the right or the left. I'm here for the boom, okay? Shout out to Jerome. Shout out to Sorian. Yo, champ, what do you think about Viacoin? I've never heard of it, so I don't know. CryptoZilla says they are not very political out there in Japan. If the U.S. president shows respect, they give it back. I like the demeanor of the Japanese. I gotta, tip my hat to the Japanese. It's nothing but respect for you guys out there. Freaking Crazy says catching the 6 train straight to Wall Street and showing them how the real market works. Shout out to Crazy. Shout out to New York City. And you must be from uptown out there, freaking Crazy. Or not. Maybe you're going from Brooklyn. Silver Crypto says LMFAO. Geron's with the MAGA. I'm behind MAGA. I agree with that, but it seemed more like MIGA nowadays. It seems like they're trying to make Israel great again, but that's a whole nother discussion. Geron says the Via coins are very cheap. He loves the meter too. Very undervalued coins. Yeah, I'll check it out. I'm glad that you mentioned it, so I'll check it out. Geron's from Brooklyn. Shout out to Geron out there in Brooklyn. Let me drop a bomb on my BK maniacs worldwide. Freaking crazies in Queens. Okay, all right. Shout out to Queens. And we had Queens Races, another one of our crypto brothers out there that he posts videos of street drag races out there in Queens, New York. Shout out to the whole 5 boroughs. See you guys out there. I'll take a few more comments and questions. I'm going to go ahead and downshift, put the car in park, land a plane on the tarmac. You know, I didn't come up with that term. Shout out to Benjamin, Benjamin out there. If you haven't been tuning into his broadcast, he's going hard. 41 minutes here in the broadcast. 23 crypto maniacs watching. Only kings and queens hitting heavy. Shout out to freaking crazy. On that note, guys, I think I'm out of here. I appreciate all you maniacs. Thanks for the love today, boomers. Let me shout out Crypto Stash for dropping me $2 there in the super chat. Rocks1 for dropping me $2 as well. Shout out to the boomers that showed love. Go out there, guys. Enjoy your day. Get some sun, some vitamin D. Let there be light on the crypto valley. You guys should be spending at least an hour out there getting some sunlight with the friends, the family, and the rest of the boomers on the farm. On that note, shout out to everybody that's tuned into this broadcast, and it's looking good out there, guys. Let's see if we can crack this 9K. I'll be back tomorrow. Make sure you bookmark the page. Chances are the cucks over here at YouTube are not going to notify you that the champ is live. You know about the shadow ban or whatnot, but we're still going to be pushing the line forward. And I'll be back tomorrow at the normal scheduled time. On that note, everybody have an excellent day. Stay booming out there. It's the voice here, the crypto commander in chief, your favorite YouTuber's favorite YouTuber, Champagne. Thanks for